It can be a little scary, right? Like on your first day of university?
Yeah, I was so nervous on my first day, I didn't know what to expect.
I know, right? It's like, how do I make friends?
Exactly, and how do I start conversations with new classmates?
Well, let's start with introductions. So, how do you usually introduce yourself when you meet someone new?
I usually say, "Hi, I'm Anna, nice to meet you."
That's perfect. And then you can ask, what's your name? Or where are you from?
Oh, yeah. Those are great questions to ask.
And don't forget to listen to what they say and show interest.
Right, it's not just about asking questions, but also listening and responding.
Exactly. So let's practice. I'll start. Hi, I'm Sam. Nice to meet you.
Hi Sam, I'm Anna, nice to meet you too. What's your major?
I'm studying business. How about you?
I'm studying psychology. That's really cool, I've always been interested in business.
Yeah, it's a great field. Maybe we can study together sometime.
That sounds like a great idea. I'd love to study with you.
So, what do you think is the most important thing for starting conversations with new classmates?
I think it's just being yourself, being friendly, and showing interest in others.
Absolutely. And don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's all part of the learning process.
Exactly. And the more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
That's right. So, let's review some key phrases we've learned today.
Like what?
Hi, I'm nice to meet you. What's your name? Where are you from?
Yes, those are all great phrases to remember. And listening and responding is very important too.
Exactly. Now, it's your turn to practice. Try introducing yourself to someone new today.
Sounds like a plan. Thanks for the tips, Sam.
No problem. Happy to help. Good luck, and don't forget to practice every day.